Vince McMahon is known for being the eccentric owner of WWE. The chairman terrifies a lot of stars who have to be on their best behavior in his presence. But one of his quirks that really stands out is his hatred of sneezes. It's a long-standing rumor that he can't stand it when people sneeze or when he himself sneezes. In an interview on Bill Simmons' podcast, his daughter Stephanie McMahon explained the reason. She said that her father felt that because it was involuntary, he didn't have control over it. He hated sneezing because of the lack of control. That hatred extends to whenever anyone sneezes, but he can't stand it in particular when it is he himself who does it. Known for being a control freak, this certainly explains at least one of the many eccentricities of WWE's 76-year-old chairman.